Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create this. Yes, it's slider for your website, with options and step-by-step created with official documentation and practiced in the real task. Let's get started. This library for creating simple slider with your options. With this feature, you can show a job or services company. An important point, this library works perfectly even if you are using other libraries. Now, let's create this feature. Step 1. Click on Get Started. Select npm install Swiper. Step 2. After successfully installing the library, import library and default styles library. Step 3. Editing components library. Step 4. After added components, add parameters in component swiper. Step 5. After added parameters, add in component swiper slide with text slide 1 and 2, 3. Step 6. Import last default styles library. Step 7. Checking result in browser. Slides per view. This parameter shows how much will slide on page. Default value 1. Space between. Space between slide in pixels. Default value 0. Loop. With this parameter you can watch next slide if you set last default value false. Pagination. With additional parameter clickable switch between slide default value false. Models. Pagination and navigation. If not added this model, library would not be working. Practice task. We have a task. Need to create a slider with options, but his looks on layout, something like this. How to make? The first export all files, icons and picture. Export icons. Step 1. Open the Figma and select icons, click on plus export. Step 2. Select format SVG and click on export. Step 3. Create a folders img and in this folder create file set icons.svg. Step 4. Change name or icon on right arrow.svg. Step 5. Repeat steps 2 and 4 the same. Export images. Step 1. Select picture, click on plus icon export. Step 2. Select format PNG and click on export. Make export in the same folder img. Step 3. Repeat steps 1 and 2 the same. Convert icons in code. Step 1. The open Visual Studio Code and open file set icons svg and write this code. Step 2. How to convert our icons in code. Open website iCommune and click on iCommune app. Step 3. Click on icon burger and click on remove set. Step 4. Open folder with icon, select and drag in browser. Step 5. Select icons and click on generate SVG and more. Step 6. Click on get code and symbol selection code and put in file setIcons.svg. Step 7. With second icon the same, click anywhere for close. After click again on get code. Step 8. Delete icon which exported from Figma. Optimization pictures. We have set icons for button, but we have another 3 picture which need optimization for browser. How to make? Step 1. The open website squishes after open folders with pictures and drag in browser. Step 2. Click under compress and select format browsers PNG. Step 3. Select resize, click on parameters, method cat move room, preset 50%, different on photo have, but a little at size become smaller. Step 4. Click on icons export and change name photo. Step 5. Repeat steps 1 and 3 the same. Add styles in slider. Step 1. The Open Visual Studio code and remove line class name, models and import pagination and navigation. Step 2. Import method register and call in app. Step 3. Add tag div for container. Step 4. Add code with Swiper and div. Step 5. Add tag button for SVG icon. Step 6. Import our icon in app.js. Step 7. Add icon in tag use. Step 8. Copy code with button and icon. Put in down after close component Swiper. Step 9. Checking result in browser. Let's add functionality. Step 1. Inline with pagination and code with parameter next AL. Step 2. Add first button class name arrow left and make copy and paste in second button class name arrow right. Step 3. Add class name in parameter next LA arrow right. The same for prev LA. Step 4. Create file for style slider. Important things. How to work in Vue library style components will be soon another episode. Step 5. Create variable slide and icon arrow. Step 6. Add styles for variable icon arrows. Step 7. Import variable icons arrow and up.js. Other parameters. Next LLA and prev LA, which was used in this category, you can more read information on the official documentation Swiper. We create simple slider with options step by step for official documentation. Did task. Create slider with styles for design and watched how working code in this library. What do you think about this episode? Leave a comment and don't forget to listen this audio episode on Spotify. Link in below. Thanks for watching.